So, what we're going to do today is we're going to learn how to use Inkscape to create an NFT art collection from scratch manually and upload it to websites like Garbble, but for free, so you don't have to pay any gas fees. But first things first, let's download Inkscape. The reason we're using Inkscape is because one, it's free. Two, you have access to layers, and through that layer, you can have like eyes, ears, body, background, and it's easier to organize and change the layers so that you can show different things and make different NFTs, little variety and stuff like that. So first, go to Inscape.org, download current version. Windows, if you're using Windows, I'm using Windows 64-bit architecture. Don't use the ext format. For some people, depending on what virus software or defense software you have for your computer, it might give you an error. Use the Windows installer package, download it, and then once you've downloaded it, go to Inscape, go to time to draw, new document. Okay, so before we get started, one thing first is press Control Shift D, and it will show you the page size and stuff like that. What we're gonna do is put the custom size for the page as 512, 512. Oh, and then resize page to drawing. Right, so now it's the correct size that you want to do your artwork on. So 512 by 512 pixels. Oh, right. Change this up. 512, 512. Yeah, check the units too. All right. Resized. Okay. Oh, and you can scroll in and out like this with the control and the little mouse button in the middle. All right, so now you have that document ready, so we can start doing some art. Go to layers. And so the first thing we need to add is a background layer. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do another background layer, but this is for organization. So background is just like the top, and then the background 1, background 2, and 3 is where we're actually going to draw stuff on. So add, put it inside, see, and then all we have to do now is add layer. So it'll name it for us, and we have to do a little too much work. All right, the order doesn't really matter because we're gonna display and undisplay as we want. All right, add layer. Let's see, body, add. Yeah, we can just leave it like that. We don't have to do the other score. All right. All right. Okay, this is just gonna take a little bit of time. Control, I guess you can't control shift and add. All right, so put them all in the body. Make sure everything's organized. Oh, make sure the background's below the body because the body will otherwise be behind background. All right, the layer, so eyes. Okay, this is just gonna take a while. Ears, nose. Okay, and we'll keep it simple like that, but you can add more layers, make it a little more complex. That is entirely up to you. Okay, let's just finish this up. All right, make sure they're on there. Sweet, okay. All right, now we've got all our layers in there. All right, so now we can get started. See, ears should be background, body, eyes. Eyes should be above nose, and ears should be behind these two. Yeah, okay, that's good. Let's stop there, and we'll continue in the next video. This is just so we can organize things up.